Is this the first time on MasterChef history somebody goes home because they don't put a dish up?
Can you cook those? And I'm just trying to organise this. Or do you want me to cook them?
No,
and you want to
I'll
organise
cook them
the
on you plate because I'm
Sure.
no frame of mind to.
5 minutes to go, everybody. Can you get up on the plate? Don't want to be eating raw chicken.
5 minutes to go. I'm still cooking the chicken satay, so Verena's running off to get plates sorted. And, you know, that's not usually like us. We're just on the back foot.
Tanisha, we need some garnishes.
They really are down to the wire, guys.
The rice had one of those.
Can you watch those?
I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off trying to find plating bowls. Nothing was working, nothing was looking good.
Here's some garnish and put lime juice in there. I need some chilies, Tanisha, to sprinkle on the rice.
It's mental, still trying to find bowls, still cooking the satay. It is frantic.
Jeepers, you guys are going to be busy in 3.5 minutes.
Our food is still on the stove. It's still cooking and we want to get it cooking as long as possible.
Can you decorate?
Come on, guys, you can do it.
Satays go
Just
in
sit
there.
on there.
Get
Yep.
all
Okay,
your
well, I
things on your
need to go and
platters.
get my satays.
Okay.
Forget about the peace and love of barley right now. You've got 1 minute left to get it on the table.
Race. Are we going to taste the chicken things?
We kind of throw things, you know, frantically on the plate just to get everything on the plate, and as a result, we don't get a chance to taste everything.
We've got everything. Count them. Count all the elements. So we have 5.
30 seconds left. 30 seconds, everybody.
Anything else, like garnish-wise?
No.
That's good. I need something to get this off. Is there a cloth or anything?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away. Well done, guys.
It was really, really tough.
So tough.
I think at the start we thought, you know, we've got a recipe, we should be fine.
We got everything out on the plate, though. For a while,
I
we
think
didn't think that was going to happen.
But I think it's just going to be the quality and the taste of everything. I don't know if it's there.
It was touch and go for a while, but, I mean, we've done it and we're really proud.
It was a hard challenge, but it was awesome, and I'm really proud of how we worked today. Yeah, it was cool having a challenge we actually had to push ourselves.
Yeah, it was a really hard challenge. A lot of things went wrong for us today. Yeah, shattered. Yeah.
Walking into tasting, I know we're going to get a grilling for a lot of things that went wrong, and we're going to have to explain those. And, you know, you know what you've done, though, so you're kind of prepared for it a little bit more.
Woe is me, that was a bit of a mission, wasn't it?
Big mission.
Tough one. We were very pleased to get all components on the plate in the end.
Pleased or surprised?
Bit of both.
Let's talk about things that went wrong. Start with the curry.
Yeah, unfortunately, I did put the coconut cream in too early. I was really disappointed in myself because I had heard that instruction, and then it burnt. It did catch at the bottom of the pressure cooker. So for me, that was just like a double whammy. So we got onto it immediately and we tried to save it.
Okay.
Today, Jordan worked like a machine in the kitchen. I was the weak one today, so it's tough.
Yeah, it is tough, but it happens in a kitchen where you burn stuff, you burn yourself. You know, the customers are still sitting out there, and so you've just got to carry on, you know?
Yeah, you guys know where you're at right now in this competition.
Yeah.
We need this to be
Exceptional.
perfect.
Yeah.
Do you think you've done enough to stay in?
I'm worried.
Okay.
Well done, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you. I do feel like I've let Jordan down. You make a mistake, you go home. I don't want to be the reason for us going home. So, yeah, I feel gutted.
Yeah, the presentation does not say anything about the chaos that was going on in that kitchen. I wouldn't have been surprised at all if at least one of the dishes weren't here. That peanut sauce is hot. Really hot.
It's really hot, but it's really good.
It's all there or thereabouts, and it's an absolute miracle that they got to this stage. I can't get any burnt flavour from the curry at all. It's not light, it's not fresh enough. It's good, but it's not the same as Heinz's. Rice is good, peanut sauce is good, but raging hot. The weakest part for me is probably these little parcels.
The satay sticks, I think, are brilliant.
They are good.
I think they're perfectly cooked. Taste just delicious. The little parcels with the chicken inside, I find a little bland.
Yeah.
Just a little, but enough that I would be concerned for Nikki and Jordan at the moment. They needed to pull a great dish out today after their challenge yesterday. Have they done it? Time will tell.
Walking up to the judges, we had a great challenge. We just hope that it reflects in our food.
Tell me about your day, guys.
We had a really good day. We thought that this place was beautiful. The kitchen was gorgeous.
Talk about that time in the kitchen where I asked you if you'd like some extra time. And you looked me in the eye and you said no.
I just wanted to be able to do the task that was set and do it within the time frame.
A few others in that kitchen were desperate for more time.
You know that.
I mean, desperate. Look at the big grin on your face. You can't even stop smiling about it.
No, I don't.
This is the Makatū's coming out and fighting, right?
Tell you what, well, you're fighting, but quite politely.
Polite fighters.
Those were the rules and you stuck to them and there's nothing wrong with that.
When at kitchen, you can't ask for more time when the customer's waiting for food, so, you know, if you want
Good
to...
answer.
And they all got their stuff up. Yeah.
Some better than others, perhaps. Solid effort. Leaves to
you.
taste.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Peanut sauce is outstanding, isn't it?
Beautiful.
It's really good.
Absolutely beautiful.
The texture's just right. It reminds me exactly what Heinz put in front of us. These little parcels are fantastic. The flavour inside is really punchy.
The rice is just a fraction underdone. I think the skewers are very good.
And the curry's good as well. It lacks a little bit of punch.
It's just a little thin.
These guys worked calmly all day. They stuck to the allotted time. They were always going to get there. I think they're probably the duo to beat right now.
Yeah.
Walking up to the judges today, we're prepared that we're going to get slammed.
Who would have thought with 3 minutes to go there was nothing on a platter? You guys have tasted it. What do you think?
I think it tastes nice, but I'm not sure if it's up to Mr. Heinz's standards.
Describe the taste of this.
I think they should taste okay. The paste.
Have you
as long
tasted
as
it?
No, I haven't tasted.
No, you haven't tasted them?
Yeah.
Verena, have you tasted them?
I haven't tasted the chicken, no.
We ran out of time.
What do these guys taste like?
We didn't get to taste them. They just came right out of the steamer onto the plate.
Have you tasted the peanut sauce?
I think that the peanuts needed to be cooked for longer to get more of a peanut flavour in there.
I think when you were cooking the peanut sauce, that was about 30 seconds away from catching on fire. You know, I've had it happen to me a couple of times before, and it's not pretty when it does.
In hindsight, I think I probably should have dry roasted the peanuts.
What's the little black things in there?
I think when I put the paste into the pan, Tanisha had already preheated the pan for me, and I think it caught a little bit on the bottom.
Do you think this is sending you home?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, I hope we can get a second chance so we can.
That we can learn from where we've gone wrong.
You haven't needed too many second chances in this competition yet, have you?
First time. I don't like disappointing anybody. And I feel like I'm disappointing you guys. And Tanisha.
Leave us to taste.
Thank you.
Oh, look, I'm going to start by talking about the good. Flavour-wise, the satay and the parcels are the best thing here.
Definitely the chicken skewers are good tasting.
Curry, lamb is actually cooked nicely. It looks really creamy and really rich, but all that I get from it is lime.
The peanut sauce is absolutely terrible. You can see all the black burnt bits in it. The rice is undercooked and bland.
Considering with 3 minutes to go, there was no food on the plate, I think it's a miracle that they've got this up. And they know they're in trouble, they know they've had a shocker, and probably the worst thing is for them, they didn't ever get to taste.
We walk up to the judges and I look at our platter and I'm just like, you know what? I am really proud of this food.
You guys really are in this scrap to the finish, aren't you? And
Absolutely.
I'll tell you what, by the way you work today, you guys are really putting up a fight. Who's your biggest competitors?
Tracy and Karina.
Definitely, no
Okay.
question.
Who's going to be in the final?
Us and them.
Us and them.
I think your performance in the kitchen today was fantastic. It showed you both working really well as a team. Great communication. You can put a great looking platter out. My only thing I want to say to you is next time don't wrestle with the scissors. Put it down, a sharp knife, done. They certainly don't have Louis Vuitton written all over them, do they? Thanks, girls.
Okay.
That is awesome.
Yeah,
Love it.
they have absolutely slayed it today.
This is the food that we want to taste. The skewers are beautiful. It is by far the best parcel of the day. The rice is perfectly cooked. The lamb curry is delicious. And the peanut sauce is yum.
Best curry of the day, best peanut sauce of the day, best parcels of the day, best rice of the day, and the satay are every bit as good as everyone else's.
That food from Jamie and Beck is outstanding. Karina and Casey, Jamie and Beck, step forward, please.
We step forward with Casey and Karina, and you never know in elimination. It could be the top, the bottom, the two top, the two bottom. We just don't know, so our hearts are absolutely flying at this stage.
Thinking like, oh, I hope this is a good sign.
Karina and Casey, you flew through Bali Week's first challenge. You cooked your Korean dishes like pros. Best result during the Club Med Challenge, and a great effort today. The highlight had to be the perfect peanut sauce, exactly like Heinz's one. The parcels were fantastic, punchy and full of flavour. The satay was lovely. The rice and the curry weren't perfect, but they were still good. Great effort, guys.
Thank you.
Jamie and Beck, day 1, good. Day 2, you won the day.
We're absolutely blown away. We're so ecstatic. It was a really tough challenge, and to be told we did the best was amazing.
You said Karina and Casey were your biggest competition, but your performance today proved that you are a force to be reckoned with. Your skewers were beautiful, and you had the best chicken parcels, the best curry, and perfectly cooked rice. I was also happy to see a big bowl of the peanut sauce because it was fantastic. Jamie and Beck, Casey and Karina, you are very clearly in the top 3. Well done, you deserve it. You are all through. Congratulations.
We're in the top 3 and we can't believe it, and it's awesome.
It just feels incredible.
You know, we're just going challenge by challenge, and our next goal is top 3. So to have achieved that today is just
Unfathomable. It's amazing. Amazing.
Nikki and Jordan, you are joining Casey and Karina and Jamie and Beck in the top 3. Congratulations.
I'm in shock. I truly didn't expect to get here. I thought that we were going home today. It was a miracle. I don't mind having miracles happen.